Hello, we're demonstrating intrusion detection using the new window comparator feature of the SM124 Smart Magnetometer. When the door opens, the magnet moves away from the sensor and the alarm sounds. And if a bad guy tries to defeat it with a magnet, the sensor detects the tamper field and the alarm sounds. We programmed the sensor with a PC using a smart sensor evaluation kit. There's a lot of flexibility in programming the digital output. For this application, we use the window comparator option. We set the upper threshold, which will be for tamper detection, for 10 Oersteds. The lower threshold, which detects intrusion, for 3 Oersteds. The hysteresis isn't critical in this application, so we'll set it for 1 Oersted. Finally, we want the output high when the field is out of range to trigger the alarm, so we set this bit to invert the output. This is how the setup works. The magnet activates or deactivates the sensor. The sensor digital output drives the alarm. If the magnet moves away from the sensor, the field drops and the alarm sounds. The alarm is also activated if a tamper field moves the field at the sensor outside the comparator window. So we've seen that the SM124 Smart Magnetometer is ideal for intrusion detection, as well as mechatronics, proximity sensing, and level sensing. SM124 features include sensitivity for wide air gaps, omnipolar, so you don't have to worry about magnet polarity. It's programmable, and it's ultra miniature. Click, email, or call for more information or to buy smart sensors or evaluation kits.